Hey guys, welcome to a bit of a surprise extra bit of a stream. I've literally just finished this game, the game you can hear in the background. And what have I even posted this morning? Not that game for certain, but actually that game. Yeah, a bloody great big box. To put it in perspective, it's a great big bugger. I'm actually going to turn the volume down a little bit. I'll probably reduce the volume on YouTube as well, we'll see. If you can't hear me on Twitch, well, whatever. I've not actually opened this yet, so you can probably tell it's literally a special box. Now, historically I bought the premium box, not the special collector's box for the Atelier games. But this one I was intrigued by, so I decided to pick up the big box for a change. So let's get into it, shall we? Got my knife ready. Yeah, literally just finished Atelier Yumia 3. Fantastic game. It will be going on YouTube starting from May the 9th, by my quick check of my book. Yeah, honestly. Bit of a spoiler alert. I'm old school, I still write down all my episode titles. I got literally books of that type of shit. So let's get into a box, shall we? I remember seeing what was in the box when I bought it, but I can't tell you now, to be honest. Oh, it's actually got a seal in it there, still sealed there. So suddenly I've got to break into a box like this. Also got to hit the microphone with my headset. So immediately when we move a box, you see. Books and a plush thing. Attention, please read this information carefully. No. This is supposedly Yumia's mascot. A Yumia's precious stuffed animal, apparently. Very cute little bird thing. Popping bear. We just have a little Atelier Yumia, The Alchemist of Memories and the Envisioned Land mini novel. Which, if the next thing in the box is anything to go by, or this thing I can't actually do anything with. Oh, I'm destroying this plastic, whatever. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to sell one of these things, so. No, when it's a little mini novel, I'd literally read it. Actually, a little light novel type thing. You know, a cute little proper sleeve. The reason why I can tell it was going to be in Japanese was the next thing in the box is the Atelier Yumia official short story translation booklet. It's literally a translation of a light novel, but in English. Only without pictures this time. That's that one bit of cardboard removed. Moving on to the next thing we have. This would be the handkerchief in the style of the Aladis Research Team bandana. It's a very handsome handkerchief. These will be stickers for all the main characters. I love how sleepy Yumia looks all the time. Ah, don't make her cry. We also have one of those acrylic standees, which everybody seems to do these days. Well, it's also acrylic standees and acrylic charms. The tapestry. We have clear files. Basic things that we would never end up using. And bloody hell. And at the bottom of the box you have the premium box, which is literally that. Before I get into that, do I bother looking at the clear files? We know we're going to have ones for several characters. We'll take a look at the tapestry. As I nearly hit my microphone again. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to move the microphone back a bit. Of course, the microphone is actually attached to a camera, by the way, guys, which is why you move when I do that as well. Do you find it interesting? The tapestry actually comes with bits to hold it up now, which is nice. Is that the right size to go where my current tapestry is? Pretty sure it is. Basically, it's slightly smaller. That's fine, I think. I currently have a wall scroll on the wall from Lydian Sewell. I think that's the last Atelier book. Oh, I got visor wall scrolls as well. Here's the wall scroll, the clear files, which I will quickly have a quick, I will have a quick peek at them. Apparently going to rip it open instead because I can't open anything to save my life these days. Oh, we've got my clear file as well. We have Yumia, Victor, Isla, Rutger, Nina, and of course Lenya. We are literally just clear files, you know exactly what you get with them. If you don't know what a clear file is, you're probably not alone, because nobody in the West seems to use them. Maybe some artists, who knows. but Japan loves giving away since they're cheap to make. You put art on them, they're plastic, they are sturdy-ish. I mean, somebody once told me they're so popular because they're white clean, but ignore that person, they're disgusting. Last thing to open, I need to actually break into this one since it is another special box. This is what I would normally get for the other games. A premium box. So all this extra stuff you see here is stuff you wouldn't get if you just got the basic premium. Well, it comes in three versions. You got the basic game, which means you get just that. Actually, you don't get that because that one is actually Suikoden. The reason Suikoden is the extra games in the PS5 right now. I'm literally playing the music from the game as we play. You get this one, which is slightly more expensive because you get shit in here. And you get the premium box, which is limited supply numbers. You get even more shit. Sometimes this one. Get it open. You get bubble wrap. If you don't, you get the game. You get music. 8 tracks apparently. You get another cloth poster thing. And you get a flimsy art book. Which is fair, is cute. Sorry guys. Just saw that face there. Hard Bowman. Interesting art book. This cloth poster is basically a type I've had recently with Atelier Yumia games. So it's a smaller one. Nice size at least. But yeah, that is the Atelier. Actually, I need to open the game as well, don't I? Technically, I've not opened everything until I've opened the game. I haven't actually opened the music either, but we all know what a CD looks like. It looks like a disc, which... I'm sure you're not whether or not any of those Atelier stickers will end up on my laptop. Could very well do. Walk the forbidden path, no matter where it leads. Peggy 12. And we are, there's a game. There's you and me, hello. Game can stay out. All the other guffins can go back in. That'll probably stay out because I'm going to put the acrylic standees on top of the computer. So you can go back in there for now. They can go in there now as well. As can the clear files. They're just about fitting there. Not much. The poster will stay out since that's going to go up on the wall. And that stays out since it can't actually go back in. So yeah, that's been the Atelier Yumia premium box. Or a special collector's box, actually. Atelier Yumia that is. Like I say, keep an eye on my YouTube channel since in May the 9th, I believe I said, that will be streaming on Twitch and playing on YouTube. I'll probably be streaming it on Twitch before then and uploading it to YouTube starting from then. And ready for the Atelier game, that one will be airing, unless things change, on Tuesdays and Fridays. So until then, say have a wonderful day, keep on watching, and bye-bye.